Lead me in thy truth and teach me, for thou art the God of my salvation. On thee do I wait all the day. Psalm 25:5.
Genius.
Hey y'all, so I was like, let me vlog for you guys. My sister surprised me to, I don't even know what it is, but I think it's like a pumpkin something, you know, we're in the fall. It's a farm. And I was like, oh my God, this is something I could vlog. But it's so cute. I got my outfit together. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, cause what? Guys, so we're at the farm market. It's a lot. This is my sister, period. The line is long, actually. Like, let me turn around and see. The line is like really long, y'all.
Oh, it's tires. So many things to do here.
So much stuff to do. Can y'all see it?
I was like, we gotta do that.
Y'all, look at the pumpkins. Yeah. So they gave us food to feed the animals, and also they gave Favorite a map. So we're gonna see where we at right now.
I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you know what I saw?
Well, we figured out. We'll come back to the vlog.
Oh, right here, right here. Entrance market.
Entrance. Okay.
And then the tire rack is right there.
You want to do the apple cannon or something like that? But all right, y'all, we about to start feeding the animals.
You know,
This is the fit. This is the outfit.
she didn't know where we were going, so she decided to wear what she wanted to wear, and it actually made sense for the.
Don't ever play with it. We're gonna go feed the animals.
Girl. My family.
I was just getting out. One more.
Ah, oh. Oh, that was good. That was.
Supposed to feed the horses. Oh my gosh, they're so big in person. Look at Favorite knows she's scared.
I'm still recording now. That one. Y'all look at the chicken.
Hey y'all, so let me update y'all real quick. My friend, and she be in New York, she just like, it was a random thing. Like, we didn't even know that she was gonna be here, her and her friends. We didn't know she was gonna be here, but it was so nice to see her. So nice to see her friends. We were so excited, right, Favorite? We was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Big chair. Like what? This chair is so big, y'all. It don't even make no sense. Let's get on top of it. On top of the big chair.
And we have our shears to cut our flowers.
Cut our flowers.
Come with me.
Come with us. Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Okay, we're done. It's like, no.
Okay, so put it in the jar. Look at how cute it looks. Ah! Okay, y'all, I'm about to go pick out some more and we're gonna come back in the vlog when it's full, okay? Bye, y'all. Flowers, sunflowers. Hey y'all, today's a whole nother day in the vlog. I didn't put on lashes today because, I don't know, like I'm feeling the makeup without lashes. Like I never thought I would be that girl, but I am that girl. So I was supposed to go to community service, and community service starts at 9:30. Looks like I'm gonna get there at 10. I hate it. I really hate it for myself right now. But I do want to stop by Dunkin' though, because I feel like if I don't eat now, I would never eat And I don't want to get hangry, like I really don't. So I'm about to stop at Dunkin' real quick to get like my pumpkin iced latte and like a little sandwich, like a, I don't know, egg and cheese something, you know, the breakfast vibes. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Hopefully it don't take too long. Got my Dunkin' and that, my sandwich. So I'm gonna be eating it on my way. Hey y'all, I'm here ready to do community service. See you guys soon. Me too. Is that taking over there? Alright, so we're going out to eat for brunch. Tell me what the heck? Hey, Ashley, where you going? You want to say something? Going to Artechouse. Woo! Finished eating after community service hours. After community service. Was eating with my coworker and now on my way to go to Artechouse. Thank God I'm not driving. Feels so good to be a passenger princess. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I see you there. Bye. Y'all, you just surprised me with flowers. Oh my God, these are so cute. It's gonna be fall vibes.
We're just staying right.
Yeah, this place is trash. Don't come. Alright y'all, so we stopped by Eats Birds, or whatever you want to call it.
She also
This is what the menu looks like. This is the vibe of the restaurant. Wish I had portable like makeup wipes in my bag every time because sometimes I should be ready to take this off. Gun range was really crazy. Like I'm not even gonna lie, like I was so scared in the first 15 minutes, but he was like, just keep doing it, you're gonna get better. So so it's another day in the vlog. Oh my goodness, y'all see my face? Like my face is breaking out. I'm thinking about doing like a nice little skincare for my face before I head out. I really just want to take time and cleanse my skin, but I already did everything I had to do, like admin work, you know how it is. So I still have my pajamas on. These are pajamas I'm definitely gonna wash. So I was like, hey, I might as well do all my cleaning, what I need to do in these PJs before I wash them. But I already started deep conditioning my hair, y'all. That's why I got this little paper bag inside, because my hair is conditioning and I'm using Magnolia products. I'm going to show you guys when I go to the bathroom, but Magnolia products are the GOAT. Like, that's probably the best. When I say the best hair products for my type of hair, like, I love it so much. So today I have to cook, so I have to prep stew for a little bit, because tomorrow I am making the full stews. I just want to prep it for today, because tomorrow I do want to make jollof rice, but I just want to prep the stew first. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of me prepping the stew, and then after that I'm going to wash my hair, take a shower, get ready, because I'm about to really leave. And I really want to do like a nice mask on my face, just a deep cleanse on my face, because my face is really dry. Plus I'm going over to my sister's house because she's about to comb over my hair. Y'all got your camera ready, because I'm about to show you guys the best products for your hair, to shampoo to conditioner, and I also got their mask too as well. I also got their leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm going to show you guys all 3 products. This is number 1. Oh, this is the conditioner. I should have started with the shampoo first, but this is the conditioner. This is the Magnolia Mango and Touch conditioner. So bomb. They did give this to me in a PR box, but it's not something I need to promote for me to try. And I really love this product. Like, I really love this product. Because I tested it out, I'm gonna go and buy it myself. This is the shampoo as well. This is what the 2 bottles look like. These products are bomb. And also the leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner, you guys. It smells so good. It's very creamy, hydrating, especially for your scalp. Like, today I have my tomatoes. These are my tomatoes. They're fresh tomatoes, right? They're fresh tomatoes. Pepper, garlic, ginger. We're gonna grind all these up. Oh, my hands are ginger. We're gonna grind that up. Rosemary leaves and thyme leaves.
Placed it on his head, he began
on your own front door. A pair of houses, the rich bunny red.
Alright, y'all, I'm done with my skincare. Now I'm about to get ready, so I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car. I was trying to do a fit check, but my sister was telling me I need a brush. So this is my fit. This is the top. This is the top. This is this. I wore sweatpants and a nice little scarf. And yeah, we're on our way to gymnastics. Woo! Oh, what's up, y'all? We done with gymnastics, and now we're on our way to my sister's house while she combing my hair, making some good old food, watch a nice little show. You know the vibes. So thank you guys. Oh, my sister in the back coughing. Oh my God! Why I ain't in it? Why everything? Y'all everything. But thank you guys so much for watching this weekend vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Promise it. Bye.